SAP Analytics Cloud also offers a number of augmented analytics and smart features. The first of these that we'll cover is called Search to Insight, and this is SAC's natural language query tool. Search to Insights allows you to ask natural language questions to SAP Analytics Cloud, and it will query the underlying models you have in your tenant and generate visualizations as results to those questions. Before going over how to use Search to Insights, it's important to note a prerequisite. In order for a model to be queried by Search to Insight, the model preference called Search to Insight Index Model needs to be enabled. This is done in the model preferences for any model that you wish to be available in Search to Insight. You can then access the Search to Insights feature at any time in SAC in the toolbar with the light bulb icon called Search to Insight. Clicking on that will open up a dedicated window for Search to Insight, but this can be toggled off at any time by clicking on the large Exit Search to Insight button too. In this window, you can isolate your search on particular models by using the Choose a Model button, and you can also view recommended search details for your model as well. Down here, I can click on different accounts, measures, and dimensions to build my own search this way, or I can simply type in questions of what I'm looking for. You can have Search to Insights generate any number of visualizations. You can refine those visualizations by modifying your search parameters. You can also copy these visualizations into stories to use them in dedicated reports. Search to Insight is an easy-to-use feature that incorporates generative AI into your analytics. We'd also like you to be aware that at some point in 2024, SAP will be improving on their natural language generative AI tools with a new feature called Just Ask.